You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER. If you want to learn more member names that many get wrong, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Korean pronunciation: Ruka, Ruka. She was born in Japan, so she has a Japanese name, Ruka. In English, you can call her Ruka. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.